Hi, I'm Dan Deulen, here on Do It with Deulen, and this is a new invention of mine. A guy, Dale Settle, asked me if I could figure out a way that he could grind these chipper knives. And I don't know if you can see the close-up on this, but he's done some grinding on it, but he doesn't have a really way to hold it nice and straight. And then here's what the other one that he's done, and this is how it looks like when you've been chipping. See the edges of it, how it's not very, well, it's really dull. And so I built this jig to help him with that project. And what I've done is a bunch of different stuff. I'm not going to explain how I made it right now, but I am going to show you how it's going to work. You just put it in the vise, like that. You lift this up. Put one knife in the side. This is my first time doing this, so if it's not smooth, it's because I'm just not that smooth to begin with. Okay, got there. Take it tighten. So now you just hold that down, and then you hold it. Yeah. By gravity, they'll feed in. Okay. I mean that they actually fall down in. And I made it this way. It's different than my sharpening jig because I needed to be able to accommodate different thicknesses of knives and different widths. So by doing it this way, this just lifts up farther. So if this was a 1/2 inch thick, you still put it in there and go down. I think this will be good for at least up to 3/8 and probably 1/2 inch thick. Okay, now we've got it tightened in and I can handle it because it's not sharp yet, right? So there it is, with the knives in it. It's a little crude, but it'll work. These are $70 a piece, plus shipping. I bought 2 of them, and it turned out it was $172.50, and it took about 3 weeks to get them. So that's why we're doing this. For you guys with chippers, this is going to be the way to go, okay? We're going to go on over here now to the